Hey, I'm Jeremy Ashburn. I've got Stacy Worcester with me. How you doing today, Stacy?
Doing just fine. It's a sunny day before a blizzard that is supposed to be coming in. We'll
Yeah,
see.
typical Seattle weather, right? You never know,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So what we're doing today is now you are with Green Cleaning Seattle, and you guys are a cleaning company based in Seattle. And what we're doing in these little video here and other videos is we're just kind of asking some of the common questions that people ask you guys. So obviously you're a cleaning company, and most people know that cleaning companies do residential and commercial cleaning, that kind of thing. But I actually wanted to start off with sort of getting to know you guys. So, who are you guys, and why did you guys initially go into business as a cleaning company?
Yeah. So we are an eco-friendly cleaning company. We are one of the first green cleaning companies or eco-friendly cleaning companies in Seattle. Gia Bassett, who is the owner, she started the company in 2008 with just herself and a cell phone, going around supporting people in their homes. And then she quickly started growing and hiring on her friends and acquaintances, and to now where we are at a staff of about, we vary between 25 and 35, depending on the demand. And we bring non-toxic cleaning to people all over Seattle.
So, tell me a little bit about the non-toxic cleaning, because obviously it's in the name, Green Cleaning Seattle. So, what is green cleaning, or what is? Tell me a little more about that.
Yeah, so what we focus on is getting the home clean, restoring surfaces to their original condition as much as possible, removing grime, scrubbing things as needed, getting the dust out of corners, but all without leaving your home smelling like chemicals. So conventional cleaning is using things like ammonia and bleach, which combined, as most people know, is actually deadly. And so we are coming into the home, we are focusing on removing buildup and not leaving that residue and that buildup behind.
Yeah, because those toxic, I mean, a lot of us probably know that the toxic chemicals get right into your, like, as soon as you touch it, your body absorbs it, right?
It's true. Yep. And so they stay on surfaces. In fact, sometimes when we're cleaning homes for the first time, we'll start smelling those chemicals coming out as we start removing layers of buildup. And that speaks to how much they can persist on surfaces. And especially if you have pets or small children on the floor, especially floors floor cleaners are often toxic. That is absorbing through your skin and getting breathed in.
Definitely. So now tell us what the phone number is, and if someone wants to learn more, what can they do?
Yeah. So you can reach us a few different ways. You can go to our website, which is greencleaningseattle.com, and you can use our get a quote button. It's very prominent on the first landing page. You'll enter in some information, and then we will reach out to you by email with a quote or with further questions. You're also welcome to give us a call directly at 206-307-2270, and you'll get one of us nice folks in the office on the phone, or if you leave a message, we'll call you back and then we'll ask you some questions to get to know your space and give you a quote.
Awesome. Well, hey, you're a pro at this. You know what's up. Well, thank you so much for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.